Hello, so I'm starting this set with applying Snow White from CJP all over three of her nails. I'm doing a two-ball method. I'm also pretty sure I'm using my Tracy Lou size 10 brush. So this video is really long overdue now. I've been trying to get it all ready for I think 2 weeks now, but somehow my kid got into my phone and she just deleted everything. I've lost so much footage, but not to this one. So I had to edit it again and then just do the voiceover again today and all that. So yeah, I'm using my second bowl quite wettish because white dries really fast, and I'm just pushing that against the cuticle area. I'm also building my shape and my apex with this white because it is strength powder. So for this nail, for her ring finger, we're applying the same white color but very thin, but make sure we get really good coverage at the cuticle area, and we're gonna do sort of a marbly type of nail. I'm first taking a very small wet bead of Bordeaux from Neo Nails, and I'm just using the liquid, the monomer in my brush to just kind of blend it out and just spread it a bit. Sort of like you would do with gel polish and acetone, but I'm just doing this with acrylic. For more depth, I'm using Black Magic from CJP. I'm just blending that on the nail. I'm also adding another bead of black, but a bit drier, just to add more definition in the center there, like so. For her thumb, I'm doing a 3-ball method instead of 2, just because we're working on a wider area. But then again, it really doesn't matter, you guys, as long as you just do the job as you like it. It really doesn't matter. You can have a million small wet beads, as long as it works out and it just looks good. So I'm applying this ball from the middle down. The second one will build most of the apex underneath, and then a cuticle bead. And I'm working as fast as I can because white dries really fast, so for her middle finger, we are doing the same thing that we did on her ring finger, but half of it. So at the cuticle area, I am applying Amore from CJP. Just trying to apply that really thin, but still get some coverage. And the rest of the nail will be the same process that we did on her ring finger. So we did quite a bit of camera only because I didn't have enough battery and I wanted to make sure I record when I top coat them. We are using a matte top coat from CJP, and also the crystals, the silver ones are from Tracy Lou, and the black ones are some really old Swarovski crystals I had in there. I can't really remember where I bought them from. I also did a little bit of a nail art with some silver metallic gel polish, and I think it's from Premier Gel. So yeah, we did a little bit of that, and I'm just top coating every single nail. I've popped that in my LED lamp, and then I also wiped the sticky layer off and applied some cuticle oil, and this is the final result. I hope you like it. Stick around please, I have quite a bit filmed for you guys, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.